Welcome back to a trade a day where I look at one stock, a trade that I'm looking to take tomorrow. In this case, a trade that I took today, but I still think is setting up very well, and just present it to you guys. So if you want more of this, again, make sure you go to Stats Edge Trading. You can sign up for Stats Edge Pro, where I'm releasing the output of my algorithms every single week to subscribers. We have a subscriber chat. We have a live Q&A. A big community is getting built there, and it's absolutely fantastic. A statistic-minded, a data-driven community. It's really, really great to see. So this setup actually came from that list and one of the algorithms. So let's get into this without further ado and talk a little bit about Coinbase. And as I talk about Coinbase, I'm actually going to bring up that right here, and let's actually grab the algo that this came from right here. So this is the algorithm. This is the return of $1 since the year 2000 to now, right? You can see an amazing percentage return, and just like any equity curve, it's going to have dips. It's going to have periods of time where it has to recover, but that's just the nature of trading. This is kind of what the distribution looks like. If you're looking year by year, it's the percent gain by year. You can see a couple down years, which again is to be completely expected from algorithmic trading. So when this one shot out Coinbase, I actually really, really like the look of it. And part of the reason is because I saw it in other scans inside of Trade Ideas that are completely unrelated and running off of completely different logic. So when I'm seeing it pop up in a lot of places, it makes me really, really excited to trade it. So Coinbase, the reason that I'm okay bringing this to you guys, even though I did buy some a little bit lower here, but not too much lower off the open today, is because it's just day one of a breakout. So you can see this nice rounded cup right here, and then we broke out of this today. So this is going to move a lot with cryptocurrency. So you got to keep your eye on Bitcoin. You got to keep your eye on Ethereum if you're going to trade this name. But one thing I want to do is take a look at the weekly chart and just show that there's a potential cup and handle type play going on here. If I just grab my little drawing tool and we draw this big old cup right here, and then this sideways action like that, it looks very, very cup and handle to me. So Coinbase is one of those plays where I don't really play fundamentally, right? As Stats Edge Trading is, we're statistically minded. We use statistics to find the names, and then we use technical analysis to time entry and exits. But when it comes to understanding a bit of the crypto space, I do, and what I know is that the more ETFs that are launched and the more successful these ETFs are going to do, the better for Coinbase, because that's where all of the crypto is being held. So I'm very interested in this potential weekly cup and handle play, and I'm using this daily chart and the fact that it showed up on the algorithm this week to buy over last week's high with a stop right down here. That was the algorithm play. I'm zooming into the daily chart like I normally do. And what I did is when we went from red to green today, that's where I picked some up. But you know, the difference, I'm in at 260 and this is at 265. So it's, you know, if I'm looking for this cup and handle breakout and this to potentially get $300, the difference between a couple bucks, I don't think makes that big of a deal. So that's what I'm looking at today. Coinbase, as always, if you want to start trading with a back-tested, proven edge, go on over to statsedgetrading.com and I'll see you there.